boys nandito na. Sa labas na yung boys.
Brighter days on the other side of pain. Can't be the same if you wanna see some change. Iced out chains got you acting strange. Mind got corroded by the fortune and the
Bye po.
ego so good.
Muli ko rin eh. Bye-bye. Parking. Kaka-park lang natin sa Bakal Gym, okay? Leg day, Thursday. Sheesh. What's up? Hello, Mama Bell. JS siya.
Brighter days on the other side of pain. Can't be the same if you wanna see some change. Iced out
Nakakalimutan
chains
magbuhay
got you
mo.
acting kinda strange. Mind got corroded by the fortune and the fame. Ego so bloated, got your head on the range by the followers and looks. Movers in the crooks, beat down low. You need a ram in the bush. Can't debate, you took the bait, a fish in a hook. Made a friend of an enemy, you mistook. Growing up is knowing everybody ain't solid. Or somebody, but everybody ends up with nobody.
J-Bus. Ay, mag-gym ka pala? Uy, sakto. Kinakarir ko.
Can't tell me how to be me when you don't know what you believe. Favorites for more than what you see. I see the sparkle in your eye. I'm the star that got you struck.
So, kanina pa ako tapos sa workout ko. Ano na, 4 o'clock, tapos mga boys nandito na. Sa labas na yung boys.
Unuploadable. Gawin natin unuploadable.
Yung ibang boys nandito na.
Bakit? Nadaya ako ni Dave to.
Maya box of
Mga body fat, body
Ayan,
fat.
Coach Dave.
Pina-judge niya yung tao based on body fat.
Nag-check kami body fat percentage namin. Si ate yung pinakamataas. So, hindi siya fit. Hindi na siya pwedeng mag-gym.
Magigik na siya sa GC.
Makikik. Ayan si Kev. Hindi na nag-gym. Tsaka si Nika.
Ano to?
Boss. Boss. Tara.
Hindi siya dumadalag.
Ano natin, Bible? Tayo
Kaya na lang mag-live ko.
Ay, ano ka rin? Amen. Pura amen.
I don't agree. You can't tell me how to be when you don't know what you believe. Favorites for more than what you see.
What's up guys? Yun, di na ako nakagawa ng outro dun sa vlog. Patapos na ako mag-edit ngayon. Dito kami sa Fisher Mall. So yun, next vlog na lang ulit. Okay, bye bye. Boom!